Good morning, boys and girls. Here is our first assignment for this week. We are going to start reading The Black Hole of Technology. So I need you to get your My Perspectives books in front of you and open to page 214. If you need a minute to get this together, just pause the video. And when you're ready, click play again. So on this page, page 214, this is the second text that we're going to read about technology, and it's in a series that we're going to compare two texts. So we just finished reading Teens and Technology Share a Future, and now we're going to be reading The Black Hole of Technology. And in the center of page 214 here is our concept vocabulary, and this is where I want you to focus right now. You have 5 words. We're going to go through each of the words, and then you're going to rate how familiar you are with each word. The word that you are the most familiar with, you're like, yep, I've heard this word. I know what it means. I have some understanding of it. I'm going to put a 1 next to that one. The word that you have the least understanding of or never even heard it before, you're going to put a 5 next to that word. And then you'll rank the other 3 in between there with the numbers 2, 3, and 4. So our 5 words are, the first one is devouring. The second word is absorbing. The third word is process. The fourth word is consumed. And your last word is digesting. So right now I want you to think about those 5 words again that we just read. And the one that you are most familiar with, I want you to put a 1 next to it on the right-hand side here. Give you a minute for that. Okay. Now we're going to skip to number 5. I want you to look at those 5 words, the other 4 that you don't have a number next to, and I want you to pick which one of those you're least familiar with. You don't know what it means. You don't understand it. You've never heard it. Put a 5 on the right-hand side next to that word. I'll give you a minute for that. Okay. Now, you should have 3 words that have no numbers on the right-hand side next to them. You have number 2, 3, and 4. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go back and look at those 3 words. And of those 3 words, the one that you're most familiar with out of those 3 remaining words, I want you to put a number 2 next to. Then you're going to think about the next, there's 2 words remaining, and you're going to think about which of those 2 do I kind of know? And you're going to put a 3 next to that one. And then the last word will get the 4. So for example, if I'm doing this, digesting, I've heard of that, so I might put a 1 there. Then, devouring, nope, I don't know what that one means, so I might put a 5 there. And then I'm going to look at the 3 remaining and figure out of these 3, which one am I more familiar with? So I might say, well, I know what consumed means, so I'll put a 2 there. And I've heard of the word absorb, so I'll put a 3 there, which means process would get a 4. That is how I want you to go around and do those. All right, so now when we are reading our story, those are going to be the 5 words that are going to show up in a different color that we're going to focus on. So you may go ahead and close this video and go to your second assignment, which will be your vocabulary worksheet. Good luck, friends.